Welcome back to another adequate unboxing video. Today we are looking at Maybo Sport Antique Pewter Thor hammer. It doesn't say it. See this nice kind of carbon fiber case here with a red zipper, so that's nice. Let's open it up. There we go. There it is in this bag. That's the hammer, pretty much the thing there. And this smaller bag, which does not come out. There we go. Oh, that handle spins. It's kind of oh, that is heavy. You can see it's got some stuff written here. Whosoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Neat. Pretty intricate, actually. Very nice. And spins. It does say it spins for 2 minutes. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3. That was not 2 minutes. Let's try a quick pull. What are these? What is this? Oh, okay, so here's an extra bearing, and here's a tool on how to switch out the bearing. So it says you're not supposed to touch the bearings with your hands, so you're supposed to put on these hand sleeves. I just got to unscrew this. Okay, and oh, I think it's supposed to stay in. But now that it's open, let's put on the gloves. I should have taken them out of the bag first. But you take this guy here, and it just goes right in there. There we go. Oh, there we go. So we'll take that old bearing, bring in the new bearing, plop that in there, make sure those little slight slits are up tight, or up right. That fell in backwards. I guess I could take these off now. Alright, so let's just put this back on and give it one last spin. Go ahead and screw that on. And there you have it. The Thor. The Thor. Let's try that 2 minutes spinning time one last time.